Let's review the $20 million specs. Wings
Agree. The composite materials here boost efficiency.
and the tank capacity hits the target.
Starting the scan now.
Beam is stable, reading the surface.
Check the hole diameter.
Confirmed, within 0.01 millimeter. Align the rib here. Got it. Riveting now. Good. Check the alignment. Align. Next section.
Rivets are clear. Scanning now.
Got it. Structural integrity is at 98%.
Perfect. Let's log it.
All right, slide it in steady. Watch the alignment. Copy. Feels a bit tight. Good. Now lift the front.
Easy, easy, slow, slow. Watch the brackets on this side. Hold it steady.
All right, align the brackets. Got it. Holding steady. Watch the overhead line. Locked. Secure the base. Base secured. Initiating flow test. Copy. Nozzles clear. Pressure building. Looks stable. Excellent coverage. Okay, mount the valves here and here. Got it. Securing the fittings. Good. Now test the release. Release confirmed. Engine 1 coming down. Align the mounts. Steady, steady. Clamp it tight. Bolts torque, clear to retract. Set to 50 Nm. Locking it in. Copy. Second bolt is at 49.5. Good. Final torque is 50 Nm. Check the thrust link alignment. It's off by 2 millimeters. Adjusting. Good. Torque it to spec.
System check complete. 10,000 gallons ready.
It clicked.
Verify.
Module locked in. Running pre-check. Good. Watch the power draw. All right. Initiate calibration. Cockpit clear. Systems nominal. Approaching drop zone. Arming retardant. Initiating pre-flight control test. Avionics check complete. All systems operational. Control surfaces responsive. Aligning navigation now. How's the signal?
Signal is strong. Calibrating range.
Good. Lock it in.
On lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the fuselage.
Stop! Pull!
Lower. Lower.
Hold at 3 meters.
Copy that. Holding steady.
Looks good. Bring it in slow.
Lining up the firefighting text now.
Copy.
I'll get the stripes aligned below. Looks good. Smoothing it out. Connect the red wire to the sensor's input. Red wire connected. Ready for the next.